Hey guys, welcome back. I got another video for you. Now this happened on April 7th of 2025 in Hillsborough County, Florida. You like my newscaster voice, you know. But anyway, so this happened on April 7th, 2025 in Hillsborough County, Florida, where a sheriff deputies attempted to pull over a reckless driver and it fled and eventually crashed into another vehicle, and the aviation unit was able to track it. The two individuals in it took off on foot. They were apprehended. So let's go ahead and take a look at this amazing video from Hillsborough County, Florida.
SO2, we have eyes on. Looks like he's on the left shoulder, still eastbound I-4. Subject still eastbound I-4. He's passing people on the left shoulder, passing frontage road right now. Still have eyes on the vehicle. He's on the right shoulder. Oh, he just signaled to lead another vehicle. He's going to be on the right shoulder on I-4, still eastbound. Occupants are getting out and they're running eastbound on I-4. Subjects are running eastbound on I-4. They're going to be on the right shoulder. Just jumped over the right guardrail. Alright, both subjects are running southbound. They jumped the guardrail at I-4. You're going to see their vehicle in the right lane on I-4 eastbound. They are running south from there. Alright, the subjects have separated. One took off in front. I have still eyes on the guy who took off in front. He's running up to the loading docks near semi-trailers on this building. He just ran into the building. Alright, I got eyes on the second subject. He's walking up to that loading dock. Alright, I got two subjects just walked out of the facility together. They're both wearing black shirts, long pants. They walked in south towards Wabash Avenue.
Stay put. They're right on the other side of the fence, walking towards you.
The two subjects are detained. Oh, yes, you're 7. Yes, good job.